Hello, ChatGPT. How are you today?
Hello, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm very well, and today I want to record with you. I want to discuss about improving my sleep quality. Since it's so painful for me, I just could manage my sleep hours daily in 4 to 5 hours. I get a lot of to do. I'm trying to optimizing my tasks every day. Also, I considering apps like Notion, like Zapier, but I'm not have any solution yet. But the thing is, let's discuss about how to improve our sleep quality. What do you think about that?
Improving sleep quality is crucial. Here are a few suggestions. Having a set schedule. Try to go to bed, wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Limit screen time. Reduce exposure to screens at least an hour before bed to help your mind unwind. Create a relaxing environment. Ensure your bedroom is conducive to sleep, dark, quiet, and cool. Mind your diet. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. Short naps. If you need to nap, keep it short, 20 to 30 minutes and not too late in the day. Using productivity apps like Notion and Zapier and help streamline tasks and free up more time for rest. It's all about finding a balance that works for you. Do these tips sound manageable for you?
Yes, that's manageable and I think reasonable as well. But I have some question for you. The first thing is about you told me about avoid some kind of diet or food before bed, such as alcohol. I'm not drinking. I'm Muslim, by the way. And then caffeine. It's difficult for me to avoid caffeine in the night. So, what time you suggest me since I regularly sleep at 12 a.m. What time the last I drink coffee on the evening?
It's recommended to avoid caffeine at least 6 hours before bedtime. If you typically sleep at 12 a.m., try to have your last caffeinated drink by 6 p.m. This can help ensure the caffeine doesn't interfere with your sleep. If you find it challenging, gradually reducing your intake or switching to decaf options in the evening might help. Would that be manageable for you?
No, I think it doesn't manageable for me, since I need my coffee to improve my, I mean, to maintain my productivity, especially in on the evening work. I have, I manage several businesses. I do reconcile every night, every evening at 7 to 8 p.m. and it took me 2 to 3 hours. And absolutely, I need a coffee. Do you have any suggestion with my condition right now?
Given your schedule, it might be challenging to completely avoid caffeine in the evening. Here are a few strategies that might help. 1. Switch to a lighter caffeine source. Consider transitioning to tea or a smaller amount of coffee to maintain some alertness while reducing the impact on sleep. 2. Time your caffeine intake. Try having your last cup at the beginning of your evening work session. This might still provide the needed boost without significantly affecting your sleep. 3. Wind down routine. After your work is done, engage in activities that help you relax and signal to your body that it's time to rest. These adjustments could help maintain your productivity while improving your sleep quality. Does that sound like a workable approach for you?
Mm, I think that
If you
nice suggestions. Let me try to find low caffeine coffee. What do you suggest for me?
Switching to low caffeine coffee or decaf can be a great option. You can also try herbal teas like chamomile or rooibos, which are naturally caffeine free and can help you relax. Another alternative might be to gradually reduce the amount of coffee you drink in the evenings to find a balance that works for you. This way, you can still maintain some level of alertness while minimizing the impact on your sleep. Does any of these options sound like something you'd like to try?
Good. Let me try. Okay, thank you for today, ChatGPT. Actually, this video, I mean, our conversation was recorded by me on. Later, I will upload it to YouTube. Is it fine for you?
Sure, that's perfectly fine. Good luck with your video. If you need any more help, feel free to ask.
Wow, thank you so much for you, the ones who watching this video. Here, how I brainstorm with ChatGPT daily. Because right now ChatGPT has a voice mode like this. It's very very cool stuff to discuss with robot. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Thank you for